Thank you for viewing the Kegel maintenance videos. Today, we will be doing the oil calibration for your flex lane machine. In order to get to the calibration screen, we'll first press Main menu, Test Oil Cleaner Pump Volume, and finally, Oil Pump Calibration and Adjustment. First, we'll go over the buttons on the screen. We have the plus and minus to your left so that we can adjust the microliter stream individually from 60 down to 30 microliters in 1 microliter increments. To the right of that will be the calculated value in milliliters that will go in your graduated cylinder. We can also see the oil valve time and the dates of calibrations. We can test pump A, pump B, or both pumps together. Be very careful when testing both pumps together, you will double the milliliters that's pumped out. So instead of 24 for a 60 microliter stream, you would get 48. At Kegel, we calibrate the machines at 60, 50, 40, and 30 microliters. To verify calibration, we would start with a 60 microliter stream. Once highlighted for 60 microliters, we'll go ahead and run the test. Once the test has been completed, we'll check our volume, and it should be 24 milliliters. After dumping the oil and cleaning out our graduated cylinder, we will then test pump B. Once we've verified that the 60 microliter stream is 24 milliliters, we can then move on to our other tests. If for some reason we have more or less than 24 milliliters, we need to adjust the pumps manually. To manually calibrate your pump, we're first going to remove the thumb screw, which I have loosened previously, and remove the entire oil compartment. Once complete, we can remove the 2 screws from the cover, which I have also loosened previously. We can remove the front cover from the oil compartment. We can now access the pumps to adjust them manually, which is done by turning the collar either plus or minus. Once changed, you'll want to put the oil compartment back in and run your calibration test until you get your desired amount, which would be 24 milliliters. For a 60 microliter stream, after making your manual adjustment, all your other calibrations will be done through the touchscreen. Once again, at Kegel, we calibrate 60, 50, 40, and 30 microliter streams. So for instance, if your house pattern was to be run at 45 microliters, you would want to test pump A and pump B and make sure that you had 18 milliliters in your graduated cylinder. If you are a little bit high or a little bit low, we can use the -10, -1, +10, or +1 buttons to change the desired output. Remember, when changing the output, there's only one pump motor for both pumps, so both pumps will make the same amount of change.